And this is a forest. There are hills. And you catch this. Yo. Over the edge, serve extra than verge. Shut down a raucous emerge. In the mog, full of smokers of herb. Singing a song and singing it wrong. Like since it's been long, maybe the king isn't born. Or the will has been burnt after the rail been gone. Original turn for the faith we mourn. Pain is gain we earn. Hate we learn. Love we desert, many ignore. For the freedom there's war. Sure, it's all for the score. Happiness is sore, just as the broken law is a dislocated jaw. Discombobulate distance flow. Is bloody with knocking strangers at the door. Answered by that banging is for the noise of those buried in storms. Souls are robbed, replaced with scorns. Belly lips, intestine tongue, and an external talking god. Legged esophagus that breathes at dawn. When sleeping, of course, on and on, more and more. Like for this life we've sown, at the loss we won. I wanna know where to when I'm gone. I'll sabotage an entourage, avalanche monotonous till a pimple past and dimples thrust. I'm that evil cast, kill quick when the middle start. I'll despair like missile stand, and I have fun. Kidnap all that's charmed, harm. So to burst lungs, cost moms, isolatingly hurt sons. Keep secrets, diamond. It's that move back out for lunch. Let's lounge. Woo! It's like this energy. You find it connects with the who's in agony. Maneuvers coherently, chooses comparably. Beyond its limitless death edibly. It makes melody melony. Does well in a form of tyranny. Circumstances bring unforeseen tendencies. Anonymous strategies, crashing territories. Comes all down with identity. Lyrically, this is insanity. Justice throwing your last hit in penalties. Evaluation, we take things light and cause inauguration. Mind the demonstration is devastating. Lose your esophagus and be left at the pipe leg to replace it. If it's a he, we'll need to debrain him. And a she must be tentacle numb to be operated by a surgical scum. Very rough and an emotional one. Type queer or folded arms to come near and blot the sun. Your hands to your thighs will be sold and stuck. Turn your lights cold and dark. In your thoughts, hold your luck. Or find yourself buried in a coffin act. No need to multi much, therefore never falter as such. Neither pose a grudge, no one knows the charge. So respect none, only God can judge. You see, out of curiosity, lost was immunity. Devastated were the witnesses of nudity. And now trauma cubically, they're in need of answers bloomingly. Desperation amuses me, this energy accuses me. Agony abuses me, and survival guides are choosing me. Victory watches over bruisingly, battles are fought musically. Winners are understood soothingly. Could it be I'm unconscious, my triumph is moving me? Perhaps I'm a puppet with soul strings that uses me. Serve services for valid purposes. Woo! Serve services for valid purposes. Woo! What you know about that? Street child Israel represented. Woo back.
Yo. Am I audible? 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 Yeah. Yo. Sunshine. Yo. Sunshine. Yo. Yo. It was 12 o'clock. Something felt like the morning star. I guess it was in Babylon. But I have to shine like the lion. Take you to the Mount Zion expression. So I think deeper, like going with the cleanses, sinking my thoughts. Now I'm trying to connect with the world, but I was all grounded each and every time reading a book. You know how it is. I'm trying to not be a crook, so I'm writing rhymes up in the sky, shooting stars so you can take the wish, son. Every time I open up the eye, I see the beauty within each and every black kid out there playing around with the rhymes. I'm trying to connect with the world. You know how it is. I'm just going berserk, yo. Now it was Agent Smith trying to tap to my frequency. Every time I wrote this verse frequently, let's talk. Yo, it was the shaking of spear. Every time I'm here, crystal clear, see the future, man. It's really dark, technology's taking over. They're trying to rise the myth like Jehovah. Walking on water, that was the sunlight that shined with the smile. Wreathed in custom accordions. Now I have to go out loud like the extraterrestrials. It's just a freestyle, but I'm trying to connect, make it a track. You know how it is, man, every time I reflect. Style from the outer galaxy. No more fantasy.